Hello everybody, Ravindra welcomes you back to 1 minute cloud computing learning video session. In today's session, I'll be covering cloud service models. As you know, cloud computing is all about services and there are three fundamental service models which are there in cloud computing. And these three services actually correspond to three basic components of any computer system. As you probably know, a computer system consists of hardware, an operating system and an application. So the part of this service model where a hardware is supplied is actually called infrastructure as a service. And in the context of cloud computing, hardware always means a network which consists of a computer system and the memory part of it, storage part of it, and network connectivity components. The second service model corresponds to an operating system. Any computer system only work when operating system is installed. So in the context of cloud computing, this operating system plus the network is actually called platform. The reason why it's called platform because a developer can use this platform to develop his application and offer it to a end user. The third one, which is most popular, is called software as a service. This corresponds to application component of any computer system, which is actually used by the end user. So, in essence, three basic models of cloud computing include infrastructure as a service. A hardware is given to you. In the context of cloud computing, that would mean a network, and the platform as a service in which a developer environment is provided to you, and software as a service in which actually an end user application can be given.